And today's video, GoPro 11 Mini with the latest firmware, 120 frames per second. Alright, 120 is for the slow motion, not for the regular view, because YouTube will only show you 60. But in the end of this video, I will show you the beautiful slow motion experience. Woo! I smell rubber. Okay, it's time for the slow motion. There you go, there you go. 120 frames per second will give you that 4K with sound. Fire. Wow, that sound was out of sync. Strange. And more slow motion for you. Slow-mo. Is it good? It's fantastic. It's the best sports camera in the world.